In today's activity, we are going to talk about laws of reflection. Reflection is a common phenomena, and with the help of reflection, we are able to see objects around us. What is the reflection? Reflection is when the light comes from one medium, like air is the one medium, and going to be strike on some smooth medium like this smooth medium, and after striking return back to the same medium is something like reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First law is that if we have this normal is some reference line which is making the angle 90-degree angle with this smooth surface. Okay, the first law is that the incident ray, let's suppose it is incident ray which is going to be struck here, and after striking it will be reflect back, and there is reflected ray, and all these should be in same plane. If this is like this vertical plane, so the incident ray, the normal, and this reflected should be in the same. If the light is coming from this way, and there will be a plane, so the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal will be the one plane. This is the first thing. And the secondly, the angle of incident, this is the incident ray which is going to be struck over here, and with the normal it is going to make some angle, and after reflection there is another angle with the normal. These two angles should be same. This is the second law of reflection. Let us demonstrate it in another way. Thank you. Let's start to investigate a law of reflection with the help of an activity. Here we have a setup like mirror, a laser light, white paper, and I have drawn some angle over here, right? So this is the light which switch off. When I will on the light, you will find out a ray which will generate from here and will be struck here. This will be the incident ray, and after striking, this ray will be returned back into the air on the white paper. This is the reflected ray. Note down both the angles are same. So you can see here, and this is incident angle, and here we have the reflected angle. If I have to be change the incident angle little bit like here, I am moving in this way, you'll find out the reflected angle is correspondingly changing. So I am going to make it narrow, and the reflected angle is also going to become a narrow. So this is an activity about to visualize that angle of reflection should be equal to angle of reflection should be equal to angle of incident. Okay.